So here is on ketones. So here is on ketones under chemistry. My name is Venkat. I am a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional. Ketone. Ketone is an organic compound features a carboxyl bounded with two other atoms of carbon. Ketones has a great importance in biology and industry. Over here, if you are able to see, if the carbon is connected to hydrogen, it will become aldehyde. If it is connected to another carbon, it becomes ketone. The CO is ketone, COH is aldehyde. Ketones are electrophilic at carbon and nucleophilic at oxygen. Because carboxyl group with hydrogen bonding interacts with the water. In comparison with the methylene compound, ketones are more soluble in water. They are acceptor of hydrogen bonds. You are able to see the acceptor of hydrogen bond. Ketones are normally not a donor of hydrogen bond due to they serve both as hydrogen bond acceptor and hydrogen bond donator. So hydrogen bonding between a ketone acceptor and water. You can see the bond here. Hydrogen bonding between a ketone acceptor and an amide donor. This one is amide with nitrogen and hydrogen. Ketones are more volatile than carboxylic acid and alcohol, and it is used as solvents and perfumery. Here is the naming nomenclature which I want to share with you. Aldehyde, methane, ethane, propane, 3 carbons, propanol, that's the aldehyde name, NaL. If it is like this, the CO in the center, the same thing, the same molecular formula, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 carbon, hydrogen is 6, 3 plus 3 is 6, and oxygen is 1. You got the same molecular formula, but if it is CO like this, it is methane, ethane, propane, propane 1, propanol. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, butanol. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, pentane 2O. Because it's the second carbon. With this second carbon it is connected. And here it is connected to the third carbon. So pentane 3O. And here this is the second carbon. This is the second carbon. So 2. And it is 3, you can have 3. Apart from that, this one is phenyl. So because we got a benzene here, phenyl, methane, ethane, ethanol. So this is how the ketones are named. We talk about the uses of ketone further. It is used in perfumery, as I told. And apart from that, if we are talking about the nomenclature once again, you are able to see methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. So which can be subdivided as, for the third carbon methyl and 2 butanol, methane, ethane, propane, butane, butanol. Over here, with the 4 hydroxyl is there, and the 3 methyl is there, and 2 butanol is there, methane, ethane, propane, butane, butanol. So this is how the nomenclature is. Apart from this, these are typical example I want to share you. 1, 2, 3. 3 methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, pentanol. 3 pentanol. Here methane, ethane, propane, propanol. Over here 1, 2, 3. Which one I specified here? 3 methyl, 2 butanol. That's it. We got a lot of plus 2 3D videos in physics for the students. It's a 8-pack DVDs. You can buy it from Flipkart or from GTech website, and you can call us directly. Apart from this, we got plus 2 chemistry 3D videos, which you can buy it as a 10-pack DVDs in our company. And finally, thank you. If you are looking for more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can post questions or queries or doubts in our YouTube video channels, so that we will help you.